Hi guys, this is Ashwini Rudrakshi. Well, today I am going to show you how to make the brushes from our natural surroundings and maybe things what we have in our home. This is one of the brush which I have already made. I hope you can see that. Yeah, so this is the natural fiber of the plant. I have a garden. In that I have a huge money plant. So these are the roots of the money plant, dried stem, and I have just taken some of the fibers from that plant, and I have made the brush. So one brush I've made that, and the other one we'll see with the yarn. So this is jute. Okay. So we'll see how we are going to make the brush with the jute. Well, I really love the brushes. I have a huge collection. Maybe I can just show you a huge collection of the brushes. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Yeah, so these are the brushes I have, and I have many more. Since I like brushes and I try to keep on experimenting with different brushes, so I thought, why not in this situation when we are stuck at home and when we feel that we need to have a good art supply, it's a good idea to create one brush at home, right? So this is the yarn, and I have taken the barbecue sticks. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim it. Yes, so this first on the top side, one side, you can just trim it. Yeah. And then you can put the barbecue sticks here inside. Right, so I'm not going to trim this as of now. I just want to see how long I need to put the stick inside. This is the stick, and then what I've done is I have taken a small cotton thread, right? So I'm going to start winding up just from the bottom at the edge of the brush which we are going to make, and then put it a little bit tighter. So this will secure the thread, and it will act as a one thing which will hold all these fibers along, and it will give you the metal kind of feeling. Be sturdy enough. So once you feel that you're nearing to the end, you can just nicely tie a knot. Secure it with another one knot. Right, so yeah, this is done. Now we'll come back to this again, and then we want to trim this part, right? So we'll just cut it off like that, right? We cut that off, and then if you want, you can go back and open these threads as well. Like, yeah, it will take a little bit time, but then it will be very nice. You will get a very nice soft brush. Like after I unwind all those threads, these ones, so the bristles look like this. If you want, you can go ahead and trim a little bit the fiber, and if you want to shape them is also good, but you just have to see that you are not trimming too much, because for these brushes I don't think you will get a good point, unlike the natural fiber. But you can just trim the sides a little bit. It'll act like a mop brush kind of thing. Yeah, so try to give the shape of the mop brush. Trim it, right? Yeah, so it's almost done. So we are coming back to the end of this brush making, the jute fiber. I'm going to show you one with the natural fiber. These are the simple barbecue sticks which you can use it. I secure the knot with 2 double knots, and then I'm just trimming the thread. Right, so your brush is ready. Okay, since the stick is still here, the bristles, the strength of the bristle is too good, and even the dense of these, it is dense with the thread, so it is holding quite stiff. So when you are painting, you can use this brush for making textures, and we'll see what all things we can make with these brushes. So one brush is done. I've done 2 brushes now, so I'm going to show you one of these natural fiber from the money plant. This is the stem. Actually, it was dried for a long time. I kept it because I wanted to see how these fibers, and these fibers are really nice in the water. They give you just like a rigger brush. If you have seen the rigger brush, it is really good. So the same method I'm applying. I haven't trimmed the front bristles yet, and I just place the stick till here, because that will enhance the grip. And what I'm doing is I am putting the sticks in the center so that it's covered with all the fiber, right, and gives a good grip. The same thing, taking the thread again, winding it up, and then securing it with the knot. Want to double secure it with another one knot. This will help when we are painting, and when we dip the brush in the water, these fibers won't come out of the stick. So yeah, almost done. I am trimming the thread, right? So here I'm not going to cut much, but just going to trim a little bit, and we are good to go. Just want to see how the bristles are going to be. Maybe I want to trim a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. So yes, here you go. We have done 3 brushes, right? So these 2 are with the natural fiber. This is the jute, and in the next video we'll see how these are going to act when we paint, how they behave, and from where all we can use these brushes, and what all effects we can achieve. We can do that. I mean, in the next video I'm going to keep you updated with these. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you have enjoyed making brushes with the available things at home. And please do comment. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.